Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí Ilé Ẹ̀kọ́ TV Stage 2. Big congratulations for all of you that participated in Stage 1 last week. If you passed your test again, big congratulations. Hope you were able to print out your certificate. If you have not done Stage 1, please check out the channels and look at the previous videos on Stage 1. As we all know, Ilé Ẹ̀kọ́ is about the Yoruba culture and the language. Lórí channel yìí, a máa ń kọ́ nípa èdè Yoruba. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Lẹ́ni, a máa kọ́ nípa ilé wa àti àwọn yàrá tó wà nínú ilé wa. Today, we're going to learn about our houses and the rooms in our houses. Hello, my name is Geyi, and today I'm going to show you around my house. Come with me. As you know, on this channel, we like to start with a bit of dance. On this channel, a fẹ́ràn láti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ijó díẹ̀. Ó yẹ jẹ́ a jó o. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ náà. I hope you enjoyed that dance. Now straight into our session. Ilé mi, my house. Ilé mi, my house. Ilé mi, my house. The roof of a house is called òrùlé. Òrùlé. Repeat after me. Òrùlé. The window of a house is called fèrèsé. Fèrèsé. We learnt about this word last week. Fèrèsé. And the door of a house is called ilẹ̀kùn. Ilẹ̀kùn. Yeah, àtúnṣe o. Let's do that again. Ilé mi. Ilé mi. Òrùlé. Òrùlé. Fèrèsé. Fèrèsé. Ilẹ̀kùn. Ilẹ̀kùn. Now, what are the different Nínú àwọn ilé, a máa ní àwọn yàrá ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. In a house, we have different rooms. We have a sitting room, which is called ibi ìjókòó. Ibi ìjókòó. Ibi ìjókòó. A máa ń pè sitting room ní èdè Yorùbá, ibi ìjókòó. Bedroom, a máa ń pè ní yàrá. Ẹ sọ pẹ̀lú mi o. Yàrá. Yàrá. Ibi tá ti máa ń wẹ̀, a máa ń pè ní balùwẹ̀. The bathroom is called balùwẹ̀. Balùwẹ̀. Ibi ìdáná is called kitchen. Or rather, the kitchen is called ibi ìdáná. Ibi ìdáná. Ibi ìdáná. And then your garden is called ẹ̀yìnkùlé. 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 Ẹ jẹ́ àtúnṣe yẹn o. Ibi ìjókòó, nǹkan tá máa ń pè ní sitting room nìyẹn o. Ibi ìjókòó, ẹ sọ tẹ̀lé mi. Ibi ìjókòó. Yàrá. 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 Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ẹ̀yìnkùlé. Ẹ̀yìnkùlé, that's the garden. Ẹ̀yìnkùlé. Balùwẹ̀. Where we take our bath, balùwẹ̀. Balùwẹ̀. The kitchen is called ibi ìdáná. Ibi ìdáná. Oh, yes, tẹ̀lé mi o. Ibi ìdáná. Good job. Now, in the sitting room, what activities do you do? What do you do in the sitting room? Do you dance with your family? Do you dance with your family? Ẹbí mi ń jó. Family, ẹbí. Again, we looked at ẹbí last week. We looked at the family and how we call our family last week. Ẹbí mi ń jó. Ẹbí mi ń jó. Jó, dance. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jó, dance, dance. Ẹbí mi ń jó. Ó ń wo television. Obìnrin wo television. The girl is watching TV. Obìnrin, girl, wo, watch, television. Obìnrin wo television. The girl is watching TV. Ọkùnrin kàwé. He's reading a book. The boy is reading a book. Ọkùnrin ka ìwé. Ọkùnrin, boy, ka, read, ìwé. Ọkùnrin ka ìwé. Ọmọ, what's the baby doing? He's playing with Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ, that's a baby or a child. Ṣeré, play, pẹ̀lú, with Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Let's try and do that again one more time. Ẹbí mi ń jó. My family is dancing. Ẹbí mi ń jó. Ọkùnrin ń wo television. The boy is watching television. Ọkùnrin ń wo television. Or rather, obìnrin ń wo television. Obìnrin ń wo television. The girl is watching TV. And if it was a boy that's watching TV, ẹni ọkùnrin ń wo television. Fantastic. Ọkùnrin ka ìwé. The boy is reading a book. Ọkùnrin, boy, ka, read, ìwé, book. Ọkùnrin ka ìwé. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. The baby or the child is playing with a Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Good job. Well done. Now let's look at the different items that we can find in your sitting room. Look around your sitting room and tell me what the few things you can find. Is there a bookshelf? Bookshelf. Ìwé shelfie. Ìwé shelfie. That's a bookshelf. Ìwé, book. Shelfie, shelf. Ìwé, don't forget, ìwé is book. Ìwé shelfie. Is there a picture on the wall? Photo. Photo. Ní èdè Yorùbá, máa ń pe picture on the wall ní photo. Do you have cushions on your sofa? Tìmùtìmù. Tìmùtìmù. Ṣé ní tìmùtìmù lórí sofa yín? Tìmùtìmù. Do you have a clock on the wall? Ago. Ṣé ní ago nínú ibi ìjókòó yín? Ago. Àtùpà. Do you have a table lamp in your sitting room? Àtùpà. Àtùpà. A television. A television. Television is called television. Television. Very similar to the English one, but it's just pronounced slightly different. Television. Ìjókòó. So in Yoruba, we call sofa ìjókòó. Your sofa is called ìjókòó. Tábìlì, coffee, very similar to your coffee table, but tábìlì coffee, tábìlì coffee. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ dáadáa, ẹ ti ṣe dáadáa lénìí. Nísìnyí ẹ ti mọ ibi ìjókòó, your living room. Now let's go to another room. Can you guess? Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún ṣe àwọn items tó wà nínú ibi ìjókòó. Ìwé shelfie, photo, tìmùtìmù, aago, àtùpà, television, ìjókòó, tábìlì coffee. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ náà. Well done. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí yàrá mi. Yàrá. This is my bedroom. Yàrá. My bedroom. Yàrá. Bedroom. What do you do in your room? What are the different things that you do in your room? As you can see, this girl is waking up. She's stretching from a long sleep and now she's waking up. Obìnrin ti jí. Obìnrin, girl, jí, wake up. Obìnrin ti jí. Now she wants to put on her clothes. She wants to put on her clothes. Obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. Wọ is put on, aṣọ, clothes. Obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. Obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. What's he doing? I think he wants to take off his clothes. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. I think it's bedtime now. I think he's had a long day and it's bedtime. So the mom is reading a book. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. Ìyá, ka, read. Ka, read. Ìwé, book. Ìwé, book. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. And finally, I think he's having a good sleep right now. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. The boy is sleeping. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. Let's see if we can do that again. Ní yàrá o, a máa ń jí, obìnrin ń jí. The girl is waking up. Obìnrin ń wọṣọ, a dẹ̀ máa ń wọṣọ ní yàrá wa. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. Ọkùnrin náà ó dẹ̀ máa ń bọ́ aṣọ. A máa ń bọ́ aṣọ. We take off our clothes in our room. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. The mother is reading a book to her child. Ó dẹ̀ ti ń sùn o. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. Now, let's look at the different items we have in our bedroom. Some of us, amani atupa. We have a nightstand lamp in our room. Atupa. Aṣọ ìbora. That's our duvet cover to keep us nice, warm, and cozy. Aṣọ ìbora. Aṣọ ìbora. Timu-timu. Some of us also have cushions on our beds. Timu-timu. Ẹni. That's a rug. Ẹni. We have a rug in our bedrooms. Ìrọ̀rí. That's our pillow. Ìrọ̀rí. Ìrọ̀rí. Ẹ̀ṣọ́. Ẹ̀ṣọ́. That's our wardrobe. Ẹ̀ṣọ́. Àpótí ìṣeré. Àpótí box. Àpótí box. Ìṣeré. Ṣeré play. So àpótí ìṣeré. That's where we put our toys. Àpótí ìṣeré. And finally, our bed. Ibùsùn. 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 Can you repeat that after me? Ibùsùn. Ẹ jẹ́ àtúnṣe yẹn o. Àtùpà. Àtùpà. Aṣọ ìbora. A cloth that we use to cover ourselves. Our duvet. Aṣọ cloth. Ìbora. What we use to cover ourselves. Aṣọ ìbora. Timu-timu. Timu-timu. Cushions. Ẹni. Ẹni. That's the rug on the floor. Ìrọ̀rí. Our pillow. Ìrọ̀rí. Ẹ̀ṣọ́. Ẹ̀ṣọ́. That's our wardrobe. Àpótí ìṣeré. Àpótí ìṣeré. Our toy box, if you have one in your room. And ibùsùn. That's our bed. Ibùsùn. Ibùsùn. That's our bed. Now it's time for us to learn a new nursery rhyme. And the song that we're going to sing today is Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká. Let's start again. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká tí n bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi á dúkò kò ká. So what he's saying is, make sure you study hard and you read your book. If you do, your shoes will do ká. Your shoes will do ká. Well done, ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín. Well done. Now it's time for our Yoruba culture time. Yoruba culture time. Ilé la tí ń kọ ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde. Ilé la tí ń kọ ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde. That means charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Ilé la tí ń kọ ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde. That means charity begins at home. Meaning, take care of your family, show them love and be nice to them. Listen to mommy and daddy. Charity begins at home. Now is our alphabet song in Yoruba. Are you ready? Oya o. A, B, D, A, F, E, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, R, P, C, Sh, T, U, W. Again. A, B, D, A, F, E, G, Pi ihi jikilimi ni o pirisi shiti u wi nisimotimo abidi mi. Oya wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi, mo ní nísìmọ̀tìmọ̀ abidi mi. Oya wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ o. Abidi ehefigi gbi ihiji kilimi ni o pirisi shiti u wiyi abidi ehefigi gbi ihiji kilimi ni o pirisi shiti u wiyi nisimotimo abidi mi. Oya wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi, mo ní nísìmotimo abidi mi. Oya wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Àwọn alphabeti méjì tá máa kọ lénìí, these are the two alphabets tá máa kọ. Gi. Oh yeah, so gi. Last week we learned from A to Fi. Now it is gi. Garawa, a bucket. Garawa. Guguru, popcorn. Guguru, popcorn. Guguru. Gèlè, gèlè. Nǹkan táwọn obìnrin máa ń wọ̀ lélẹ̀ tá bá fẹ́ lọ sí party. Gèlè. Gbí. Gbọ̀ngàn. Root. Gbọ̀ngàn. Gbàgùdà. And the stadium is called Gbọ̀ngàn. Abidi ehefigi gbi ihiji kilimi ni o pirisi shiti u wiyi abidi ehefigi gbi ihiji kilimi ni o pirisi shiti u wiyi nisimotimo abidi mi. Oya wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi, mo ní nísìmotimo abidi mi. Oya wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ náà o, and we have finished for today. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ yẹn ọmọ dáadáa, well done. Ó yẹ ẹ jẹ́ àpàtẹ́wọ́ lé ẹ̀kọ́ style. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ club, tá bá ń wá, a máa ń pàtẹ́wọ́ ní ẹ̀wá. A máa ní ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Now we're going to do a quick recap on everything that we have learned today. Ilé mi, my house. Ilé mi, my house. Òrùlé, the roof. Òrùlé, the roof. Fèrèsé, the window. Fèrèsé, the window. Ilẹ̀kùn, that's the door. So àwọn yàrá ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tó wà nínú ilé, the different rooms in a house. Ibi ìjókòó, the sitting room. Yàrá la máa ń pè ní bedroom. Yàrá. Ẹ̀ǹkùlé la máa ń pè ní garden. Ẹ̀ǹkùlé. Balùwẹ̀. Ẹ sọ tẹ̀lé mi, repeat after me. Balùwẹ̀. Ibi ìdáná. And then within the sitting room, the different activities that we do within the sitting room. A máa ń jó pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹbí wa. Ẹbí ń jó, ẹbí mi ń jó. A máa ń wo television. Obìnrin ń wo television. A máa ń ka ìwé. Ọkùnrin ń ka ìwé. A dẹ̀ máa ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. Ọmọ ń ṣeré pẹ̀lú Lego. And then the different items in the sitting room. A ní ìwé shelfie, photo, tìmùtìmù, which is a cushion, aago, àtùpà, television, ìjókòó, which is your sofa or your couch, ìjókòó, àti tábìlì coffee. Yàrá kejì tá tún wò lénìí ni yàrá, which is your bedroom, yàrá. As you can see, obìnrin yẹn ó ti jí yàrá. So yàrá, obìnrin ti jí. You wake up in your room, obìnrin ti jí. Ó dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ wá wọṣọ ńsìnyí o. Bóyá ó ti wẹ̀. She's had her bath and now she wants to wear her clothes. Some of us, we wear our clothes in the room. So obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. The girl's wearing her clothes. Aṣọ, clothes. Obìnrin ń wọ aṣọ. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. The boy is taking off his clothes. Ọkùnrin ń bọ́ aṣọ. I think the mother is reading to the child. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. The mother is reading a book to the child. Ìyá ń ka ìwé sí ọmọ. Ọkùnrin yẹn dẹ̀ ti sùn nísìnyí o. Ọkùnrin ń sùn. And these are the different items that we have in our bedroom. A ní àtùpà, aṣọ ìbora, which is your duvet, aṣọ ìbora, tìmùtìmù. Some of us still have our cushions in the rooms. Ẹní, which is the rug. Ẹní. Ìrọ̀rí, our pillow. Ìrọ̀rí. Ẹ̀ṣọ́, which is our wardrobe. Ẹ̀ṣọ́. Àpótí ìṣeré, that is our toy box. Àpótí ìṣeré. And ibùsùn, this is where we sleep, our bed. Ibùsùn. And then we learnt our song of today was Bàtà mi àdúkò kò ká. Bàtà mi àdúkò kò ká tí ń bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi àdúkò kò ká tí ń bá kàwé mi. Bàtà mi àdúkò kò ká. Good job. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ yín ọmọ dáadáa. And then our Yoruba culture today, what we learnt in our proverbs today was Ilé la tí ń kọ ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde. Ilé la tí ń kọ ẹ̀ṣọ́ ròde. That means charity begins at home. Understand that charity begins at home. So we need to take care of our family, show them love, be nice to them, listen to mommy and daddy. Charity begins at home. And then finally, we picked out 2 alphabets in our session today. The first one was G, garawa. Then guguru, popcorn. Gele, that's a female's head tie. Gele. And then gbongbon, which is the root. Gbongbon. And then finally, what has been showing throughout is gbaguda, yam, gbaguda. And then the stadium, gbongan. Now it's time to sing our alphabet song. Let's go. A, B, D, A, F, E, G, B, E, H, G, K, L, M, N, O, R, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, nísìnyí mo ti mọ A, B, D, mi. Ó yá wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Mo ní nísìnyí mo ti mọ A, B, D, mi. Ó yá wá kọrin pẹ̀lú mi. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ẹ̀yin ọmọ dáadáa, ẹ jẹ́ á pàtẹ́wọ́ o. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ dáadáa o. A dẹ̀ ti ṣetán lénìí o. Please leave comments And do not forget to subscribe. Just click the subscription button right now. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan. Have a wonderful day. Ó dàbọ̀ o. Bye.